This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Video I'm going to show you what happens when we choose the paragraph type of answer as an answer type for a particular question. I will just add a question here in between. What are different types of animals? And for this question I'm going to choose the paragraph answer type, and here in the answer key we don't have any kind of option to choose, and we can just add a feedback for any answer. So let us go to the preview section and try attempting this quiz. So here we are in the question saying what are different types of animals. I'll just type it as herbivores, carnivores. So after adding the answer paragraph answer, I will just click on submit, and after that I will click on view score, and here by default the answer for this one is wrong, and no point here has been awarded for this answer, even though if you type a right answer the answer will be wrong, because this kind of answer type is not suitable for a quiz where the results or the grade will be released right after attempting the quiz. So let us go back and click the settings option and come to the quizzes section, and here in the quiz options select the second option saying later after manual review. So this will automatically enable the email collection because you have to send or the release the grades after manually reviewing them, and hence the email collection will be enabled. So after that just click save. Now the email address will be collected. Now I will try to attempt this. After attempting a quiz where the manual review is enabled, the view results button will not be available. And let us go back here, and now in this form you should go to the responses section, and in the responses section you should be in the individual tab, and in the individual tab the eighth response is the response where I have just enabled the manual review. So this is the eighth response. I've just added a fake email ID. I want to just test this one, so I'll just use a fake email ID, and here the release score option is available, whereas for the previous response the release score is not available because the score has been released and the person knows the score. And talking about this one, here the question which is having the answer type as paragraph answer type, this question automatically it is showing as the answer as wrong. For that we have to make it right. How should we just make it right? We have to make it this answer as right by adding the points that you want to give for this answer. I'm going to give about 10 points for this answer based on this answer. Apart from this, I can add individual feedback for the response of this question. Okay, and after adding the point for this you have to click on save, and even then you can find that this answer is wrong because I have just given partial marks, not complete marks. Let us just try adding 20 out of 20, and now just click on save. Now you can find that this question, the answer for this question is right. Okay, so when the person will be given the complete marks, then only the answer will be shown as the right answer. When you just provide partial marks, even then in the response section the will be shown as a wrong answer. Okay, so this is how you should review manually if you are just choosing the answer type to be a paragraph answer type. And after that you have to click on release score, and when you click on release score, if you have more number of responses available there, then all the emails will be available here. Okay, and if you want to just release score for this individual person, then you have to just check only this person's email and uncheck all the emails, as all the emails present right now in the responses section for this form is only XYZ, hence both have been selected. And apart from this you can also send a custom message in the email. Okay,